All right. I posted this strategy yesterday. I've really been talking about this strategy over time because it is very powerful. It is very powerful. I keep saying it is very powerful and very simple. Now, this is the strategy we are using on this particular trade right now. All right. You can see we are in massive profit already. All right. We took this trade from this level and it's running in profit. You can see how many spikes we've got already. All right. So I don't want you guys to sleep on this strategy. I don't want anybody to sleep on this strategy. I want you guys to use this strategy, milk the market from this strategy and make money for yourself, guys. All right. Right now we are milking the market already and VIPs are winning. Everybody's winning. You can see I'm going to be dropping the link to my Telegram so you can join us for free. All right. This is our free Telegram. You can see this is the trade running right now. All right, we are already in massive profit. Okay, these are VIPs testifying, telling how much they are making every day with this powerful strategy I'm about to share with you guys. I don't want anybody to sleep on this strategy, guys. That's why I'm showing you these stuffs. All right, I'm showing you these stuffs to motivate you guys to let you guys know that a lot of money can be made from this market. All right, don't let nobody tell you anything else. Okay, a lot of money can be made from this market. You just need to pay attention to the principles I'm going to share with you guys. All right, and follow it faithfully and you'll be good. You'll make a lot of money for yourself. All right, you'll make a lot of money for yourself. I'm going to drop the link to this Telegram. Like I said, you're going to have to join and be a part of what we have here. Don't just join and just be a number. Okay, just join us and make sure to be a part of what we have here. All right, so this is going to have you set up 3 powerful indicators on your indicator window and a very powerful one, moving average, on your main charts. Okay, all right, so on your main charts, this is the setting for moving average on your main charts. All right, so these are the settings for the moving average on your main charts. All right, guys, do not sleep on this strategy. I know why I keep hyping this strategy. I keep talking about this strategy because it's fire. Trust me, guys, it's fire. You just have to do the right thing. Okay, so set this thing up. Set your moving average on your main chart up. Period 10, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close, styles 2 pixel. You can use black background, or any other color to make it visible on your screen, and just click done. All right, that's another spike right there, guys. Okay, so you add your RSI. These are the settings. Period 14, apply to close, styles 3 pixel, white background because my background is white, levels 10 and 90. All right, levels 10 and 90. You can actually make changes here, but it's not necessary, guys. All right, but I usually just allow this to be my buy area and this to be my sell area. All right, so you just click done and then add your envelopes. Period 70, shift 0, deviation is 0.9, method simple, apply to close, styles 2 pixel, lower band 3 pixel. All right, you don't need levels for this, so you just click done. All right, and then the next thing you want to do is add your last moving average with the same setting as the moving average on your main chart. Period 10, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close, style 2 pixel, black this time around. Yes, I want it to be visible on my screen. All right, levels is not needed. All right, so you just click done and you are set up to make money. Okay, now how do you make money? You want to do this with full you want to do this following all the principles. That's a massive spike right there, guys. That's a massive spike right there, guys. All right, we just got another spike. It's going to, guys, the VIPs are winning, guys. VIPs are winning. All right, so this is very powerful. You're done setting up your indicators right now. The next thing you want to do is go to your higher time frame to see the market direction. For crash, you want to see the market in a downtrend, and then you identify your area of interest, your support and your resistance. For crash, you want to see price at your resistance because you want to sell, right? You can only sell from resistance and buy from support. So yeah, you want to see price at your resistance. So you want to wait for price to come to your resistance, and then you want to be looking for bearish candles. That's exactly what we did to make this much money, guys. This account is growing really fast. It's a small account, growing from $89 to $450 in less than 20 minutes, guys. Excuse me. So you apply these simple principles and you're good. All right, so price is at your area of interest. You want to see bearish candles. This is for crash. This is specifically for crash. This strategy is for crash only. All right, this strategy is for crash. What I'm saying right now is for crash only. All right, you can apply the opposite way for boom, but if you are following these particular steps, it is crash. Okay, you want to be selling to catch spikes. All right, so price at your resistance, you have seen bearish candles on all the time frames. Now you want to see your indicator on the lower time frame get to the sell level here, the level 90 here, right? That's where we enter the trade from, and what we can see here is multiple spikes upon spikes, and you can see that every single time the price gets to that level, what you see is spikes upon spikes. All right, I can keep showing you more. This is it. Price gets to that level and there was a spike here. All right, you need to always back test these strategies to ensure that it works. All right, you see there was a spike here. All right, it's very important that you always back test. Okay, so follow these principles and drop good reviews. Subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be dropping my WhatsApp number so you can chat me up if you have any challenges. You want to join my VIP, you want to join our mentorship program. It is ongoing, it's very affordable. All right, you want to learn how to trade by yourself like a pro without depending on indicators fully. Okay, just chat me up. All right, but then again, make sure you practice these principles and make sure it works on your demo effectively before you apply on your main chart, guys, or your main account, on your real account, I mean. All right, take care of yourselves. See you on another video.